In this project we shall learn about the different wrapper classes which are used to convert the strings into the appropriate primitive data types. So we shall start a new project, Java application. Make it sure that the create main class option is unchecked. Okay, under the source package, click new JFrame form, finish. And as we want to input an integer value, a float value, a double value and a byte value, we need to have 4 text fields. First text field, second text field, third text field and fourth text field, and also the corresponding labels 1, 2, 3, 4. And we want to display the sum of all these values in the 5th text field. Okay, now let us change the text of the different labels. Enter integer value. Now we have enter byte value. We have enter, we are changing it to enter float value, and enter double value. Now here the sum is okay. Now change the text field, text of the different text fields, let it be empty. I'm just hitting the del key, delete key. Okay, now let us resize these text fields so that the user gets suitable or sufficient space to input the values. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we want to have one button so that the user, when clicks this button, then sum is displayed in the 5th text field. Calculate sum. Okay, now right click the calculate sum button and click the events and action performed. So we have to take 4 variables. First of all, first variable, say integer a to handle the integer value, then byte b to handle the byte value, then float c to handle the float, double d to handle the double value. Now we shall require one more variable of data type double to handle the sum. Let it be sum, name of the variable is sum. Okay, now the data type of variable a is integer. It means we can assign integers to a. So that will be done as a equals to, now first of all we have to fetch the value that is input by the user in the first text field. So it is in j text field field1 dot get text. That value is assigned to j text field dot get text. But the value is a string which has been input by the user in the first text field. It means that string is to be converted into a, which is of data type integer. It means we have to use the wrapper class, integer wrapper class, integer dot, and the method we shall be using is parse int and jtext field 1 dot get text. Okay, Now the data type of B is byte, so we want to assign byte to B, but the data which has been input by the user in the second text field is string. It means that needs to be converted into byte with the help of the byte wrapper class, and the method we shall be using is parse byte and j text field 2 dot get text in the now the get text method extracts the value from the second text field, which is a string, and that string is converted by the parse byte method of the byte wrapper class into byte. So same is the case with the C. Here C is float data type, so we have to write here float dot parse float and the string, is in third text field 3 dot now we have one more variable D of data type double, so we have to write D equals to double wrapper class dot parse double method used to convert the string into double, and the string is in the fourth text field j text field 4 dot, and we have to use the get text method as in the previous cases. Okay, now the sum of A, B, C and D is to be calculated and is to be assigned to the variable sum. So we shall write sum equals to A plus B plus C plus D. Now the sum will be calculated in it will be assigned to the variable sum. Now this sum is to be displayed in the fifth text field, and we have to use jtext field 5 dot set text method, and we shall write here sum. Okay, now let us run the program. Enter integer value, let it be 580. Enter byte value. Here, while entering the byte value, we have to make it sure that it is within the specified range. So it is, let it be 60. We know that byte value starts from -1 to 8 up to 1 to 7, plus 1 to 7. Enter the float value, let it be 7.825, and a double value which is of long precision, and in this example let us take 9.63. Okay, now if we click the calculate sum option, we are getting this value. The sum of all the values are calculated. So in this example what we have done is we have discussed the use of the wrapper classes and the appropriate methods to convert the string data type into different data types, integers or floats or double, etc.